You want to learn how to center align a text in Google Doc, and this video tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google document file, which is the productivity plan. So as you can see, I would like to center align all the text or all the expressions in this document. So the first expression is productivity plan. So what you want to do is to move your cursor to any part of the productivity plan. Once you move your cursor there, then come to the align and indent feature here, then click on the drop down and you'll see center align. Just click on it and you successfully center align the plan. So for the second expression as well, I'm just going to move my cursor to any part of the text or expression, right? And once I move my cursor to any part of that, I would come to the align and indent feature as well. I'm just going to click on center align. It will move everything to the center. For the third expressions as well, so I'm just going to move my cursor to any part of the text, right? Now I would come to the align and indent feature here. I will click on the drop down and I would now click on center align. That's how you center align a text in Doc. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.